Hey, what's your name?
Shreya.
Where are you from?
I am from Rajasthan, India.
How long have you been in the US?
10 years.
What do you love about the US?
I think people are right when they say it's a pool of opportunities. I
Yeah.
kind of agree with it because every corner you go, you can learn a lot of things, but then you also can grow into something that you were not yesterday. So I
Yeah.
think I love that idea of being anything and everything.
Do you want to give any example of one of the opportunities that you got into?
Yes,
Like,
absolutely.
Yeah.
I was a CSCS person back in India.
Yeah.
I came here, became a recruiter, and now I'm a business owner.
Yeah.
So I think you can see that whole journey right there.
That's amazing. What is your education background?
So in India, I've done CSCS, and when I came to US, I did my MBA in leadership and marketing.
What was your university?
I did from Seattle University.
What is one thing you did during your masters which helped you succeed?
Meet with people, network a lot, but I
Yeah.
also started one of my companies at that time that helped me grow into what I am today.
And what is something you regret not doing during your master's program in the US?
Not giving a lot of weightage to outside projects, volunteer opportunities. I gave a lot more weightage to just the academic numbers in my grade.
What do you do for a living?
So I am a coach. I'm a business owner, like I said. I have
Yeah.
a business called the Super Coach. I work with people who are looking for jobs. So I help them with everything from their resume to their interview preparation, LinkedIn, and communication skills, anything that they ask for in their job search process.
That's amazing. How much do you make annually?
I have around something with 200K plus.
Okay. Can you also give me a breakdown of your monthly expenses and savings in the US?
That'll be a good question for my husband.
Estimates, yeah.
But then I think my idea would be our expenses together, because we're a household of two people, our expenses together with the lifestyle that we manage is like around 10K per month.
Yeah.
And then our savings would be around that or more. I wouldn't know the number. I
Okay.
actually wouldn't know the number.
Okay.
That's sad. I should. Wow. Okay.
That's okay.
I'm busy earning.
That's good. Can you just walk me through your salary progression as a recruiter in all these four companies?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think when I started right out of college, I wasn't close to like a six-figure mark. I was like around like 85K or something in Microsoft.
Okay.
And then I went to Amazon, and then it was like around six figures, which is like 110K or something. I went to TikTok, it was like around 145 and something. And then I went to Uber, it went to like 165 or something.
200K in the US or 40 lakhs in India. Which one would you prefer and why?
For where I am in my career right now, I would still prefer US, not just because of the numbers, but
Yeah.
again because of the kind of people I get to meet, the kind of rooms I get to be in, and again the kind of projects that I can still put my hands in, fail and still learn and experience and do something else out of
Yeah.
it. I'm not sure if yet Indian market gives me that flexibility to fail quickly and recover quickly from that financially. Morally, according to the society.
Yeah.
So I would still choose US for a few more years
Yeah.
until I really have to make that choice to go
Nice.
back to India.
If you were not living in Seattle, where else would you want to live in the US?
I would probably say California, like Bay
Okay.
Area. That's
Yeah.
super cool. I
Yeah.
love the vibe there. They're like startups, they're content creators.
Yeah.
I think there are like a lot more opportunities there. I love what Seattle offers, the weather, the beauty, and everything. But I think somehow SF has more of who I am, which is like people. So
Yeah.
Probably
This is
that.
one of the unusual days in Seattle where the
Yes.
weather is
Oh.
nice.
oh my god, it is sunny where we can't open our eyes,
Yeah.
right? Which is unusual.
Okay. So why haven't you moved to Bay Area yet?
Because my basis is here, my husband is here, his job is here, our house is here.
Yeah.
And like I said earlier, I love Seattle for what it offers. Like I can go to beach, I can go to mountains, I can go to lake, I can
Yeah.
go to any of those things.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if Bay Area offers that kind of variety in the nature. And I
Okay.
love that.
Was it worth it moving to the US?
Yes, worth it. 100% worth it. So I moved in because I was getting married. That's the reason I moved
Okay.
into US. Was it worth it? Yes, I got a husband. But from the opportunities of professional things that you're asking, absolutely yes. I got to do my MBA. I got to build my businesses, and I got to meet with like a lot of people
Yeah.
who, like I was saying earlier, teaches me to be anything and everything in any room.
One advice for someone who is planning to move abroad, especially in the US.
So I would say know your things. That means collect information, research a lot. Do not completely rely on what other people's journey and life has been.
Yeah.
What matters to you most? Is it the career? Is it the stability? Is it the visa?
Yeah.
Is it the finances that you're looking for? What matters to you the most? And then research, go deeper into that,
Yeah.
and then speak to those people who have gone through that journey. Do not just copy paste any other content creators or any other successful professional's journey and then make it your own.
Nice.